The following video is a simulation of Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the voltage is directly proportional to the current in an electric circuit. That is, as the voltage is increased, so is the current. The equation for Ohm's law is V is equal to IR, where V is the voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistant, which is constant. For this experiment, we need a circuit with an ammeter to measure the amps, a voltmeter to measure the voltage, and we have a resistance of 150 ohms. We'll also be plotting each of the values on the XY axis. We'll have the current on the Y-axis and the voltage on the X-axis. Our first step is to increase the voltage up to 2.5. And we see that we increase it to 2.5, the current goes up to 0.02 amps. And you can see on the graph that increase along with other values in between. Next we'll go up to 5 volts, and we can see the effect that has. The amps have gone up to 0.3 and all the values in between. Let's increase it again, this time up to 7.5 volts. The amps have gone up to 0.5, and we can see that on our graph again. And finally, we'll go up to 10 volts. We see here that the amps have gone up to 0.7. On our graph, we see that we have a straight line graph through the origin. This is the test of proportionality. Because the graph goes through the origin and is a straight line graph, it's almost a perfect straight line, we know that whatever's on the y-axis and whatever's on the x-axis are proportional, directly proportional to each other. This shows that Ohm's law is correct, that the voltage is directly proportional to the current.